Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavens on the TV, international friendly, Bafana 0, Nikagawa 0, I'm joined by Bitowaka, Kistibo.
So Stibo,
I'm not
sure. As in 15,000 South Africa isn't fair, bro. I mean, a while back, the Conis Katila, when I'm playing 9, with Kaizer Chiefs.
2010?
A squad team.
2010?
Yeah. I go to complain.
Askala!
Ngubonisa something else.
Sure.
You go Bruce Magathola le squad list. But Sasi laughing stock. Ne?
Yeah, Africa.
Umhlaba
worldwide, yeah.
Stadium besingagcwala. Abantu bebanga stadium.
Sure.
Le Godmanlela wa change what was happening there.
Yeah.
Was turning into a winning team.
Yes. Yes.
Namanje si winning team. Abantu must compete nabo basaba.
Sure.
Because another team is not doing well,
yes.
Mele umhlaba ume.
The Kaizer Chiefs.
Mele umhlaba ume.
It's doing well.
What are we doing? No, guys,
Manje, whatever is happening, and behavior I'm a fan.
Yes.
It is disgusting.
I'm a
my man. Shongena ukross marabambi bola. Iwe nguzampu. Zimpuela for it. Because of the behavior lecalile abantu abanga understand ukuthi kahle kahle idisk lase South Africa yini leyafa.
Yes.
Angeke mina ngibu cross bro wami kuyiphele bafana.
Noma dlalela ichi.
Noma dlalela i.
Yes.
I'm saying to you. Oh man. I'm saying to you. This thing a behavior yama fan. Ake ageleza idisk.
Yeah.
I understand ibhola ukuthi yi.
Now it's me.
Angeke mina ngibu cross ngoba support iPirates.
What you
Awume kancane. Angeke mina ngibuwe ama player ngokuthi mina ngisupport enye team.
Ngiyakubamba.
Decision ye coach ukuthi ufuna ukuthatha bani akathathi bani.
It's final.
Aseyethu.
It's final.
Then wena uzositshela ukuthi wena uzosupport abantu ngoba kungena ngabani. Ngesikhathi eswangibonisa ngithi kwesikhathi la bekunama player 9 kubafana we Chiefs.
2010.
Bazange sicomplain.
Askala.
Support. So manje isikhathi samanje kumele abantu wabangasupport bafana the way ngakhona.
Bakhalela ichi.
Bakhalela ukuthi bakhalela ukuthi
Batshele Chimene.
but i-country izodivide ubani because mina ukcross njengoba ngingenile ngimshayela izandla noma kukhona uPeterson bengizomshayela izandla yena iplayerani lebafana I don't care damn ukuthi ubani odlala umuntu odlala la ubafana ngiyamsupporta mina
You understand?
Manje lento leyo yiyo le ecost abantu bangakoze ukunderstand abakwazi ukucabanga and mina ngikhenga that because masifika ngada so by laughing stock again because it itself is divided because the Chiefs is not doing well doesn't mean much you must blame the way they behave. I understand. Ingabuye next year. Ungizwe Stibo ingabuye next year Chiefs. Bathatha ama player ayi9. Mina Tibos ngizoyisupport.
Ngiyakubamba Thimeni,
ngizoyisupport. So labantu abarasayo, kunabantu abarasa ku social media. Uyezwa Stibo. Yibo abakhosta ama problems.
Ngiyakuthola Thimeni.
Yibo abazokhosta ukuthi abantu this outside. Ibhola liya-evolve now and then. Nini uzothola ukuthi sinama-play 5 am9 a-change ukungena amanye awe-Chiefs. Abantu base-South Africa kumele be-understandele le nto enukayo abanayo le behavior yabo le thinking behavior yokubhuka abantu bayiyeke mina uCross abengeke ngimbhuwe ngoba iPlaces mina ngifeva iPirates
ngiyakwazi
yezwa bengeke ngize ngimbhuwe nalabantu abombhuwile yinaye abazibhola
abotutula
abazidisdis
oh hayi
Peterson ukuthi abamthathanga mina nami angijabulanga he was the udlalile lamanje uye futhi osigayilile ngiyacaba lento uye bayipirates ngoba khona le goal lokugqine Sundowns bilikorile walikhiphela ngaphandle so icoach ukuthi ayimthathanga thina mfana senze njani
angeke senze
kumele sife abantu abasifunisa ibhola ngofenezi thibusi iwengu ziyanyanyisa qawo